Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to add a drop-down list with data validation, create new rules, and use Excel sort, filter, and conditional formatting options to make your data more organized and visually appealing. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Add a drop-down list using data validation. First, let's add a drop-down list. This feature is useful when you want to restrict data entries to specific options, like a yes or a no, or a list of product names. Select the cells you want to apply the drop-down list to. Now go to the Data tab and select a Data Validation. In the Data Validation window, under Allow, choose a list. In the Resource box, type in your options separated by commas. For example, I'll type a yes, no. Then click OK. And just like that, your drop-down is ready. Step 2. Adding new rules with conditional formatting. Now, let's add some color coding with conditional formatting. This is a powerful tool that makes certain data stand out based on specific conditions. To add a new rule, highlight the cells you want to format. Then go to a homer and choose a conditional formatting. Let's say we want to highlight cells that say a yes are in green and a no are in red. Click a new rule, then select a format only cells that contain. Under a specific text, type a yes. Set the format color to green, then hit OK. Repeat the same steps for a and no. Then when you select yes or no from the drop-down list, it will come with the color. This will make your life easy. Try and see. Thank you for watching. Keep us subscribed for more videos like this. See you in the next video.